Up next, the next edition of Hollywood's Greatest Hits. World Heavyweight Champion Hollywood Hulk Hogan takes on the Nature Boy Ric Flair. Two men widely regarded as the most popular superstars in the history of the business. Flair flew his flag proudly for WCW, while the Hulkster became a global superstar with the WWF before reinventing himself as Hollywood Hulk Hogan to dominate WCW. And today, the two OGs of professional wrestling, the Nature Boy Ric Flair and Hollywood Hulk Hogan, clash one-on-one in a non-title match here on Monday Night Raw. The Hulkster, we know, will defend against the Ultimate Warrior at Wrestlemania, but that could be a triple threat match. As Mr. McMahon said, it will be the Warrior and another as yet unknown superstar who will make that a triple threat match for the World Heavyweight Championship. And this is the final match, the main event of Monday Night Raw. We as yet have not seen who this new superstar will be, who the third superstar will be rather. But Hogan can't focus on that right now, as he comes out as the World Heavyweight Champion. To take on the Nature Boy Ric Flair, who isn't gonna wait for the Hulkster to make his way down to the ring. Here comes Nature Boy straight out against the Hulkster. Oh, and the Nature Boy there feels the power of Hulk Hogan there with a big shot, and Hogan doesn't budge. But the Nature Boy, Hogan with a huge clothesline there, and nails the Nature Boy with the belt. The match isn't officially on yet, so Hogan will get away with that one. And the Hulkster wants to finish this one in the ring. And here comes Nature Boy straight away. And Hogan responds with a kick of his own. And the Nature Boy taking it to Hollywood Hulk Hogan. Oh, the referee goes down. And Hogan takes the Nature Boy out with a big clothesline there. Hulkster, obviously the larger of the two, the more powerful, you would say. Big right hand, and Flair coming right back, gets Hogan up, and a nice show of strength there from the Nature Boy, and drops an elbow on Hollywood Hulk Hogan. Flair, of course, a reputation as the dirtiest player in the game, and he finds a way to win his matches, and he's been on a tremendous run of late. Flair, of course, was in that main event, the Elimination Chamber, when he was left among the last competitors with Hollywood Hulk Hogan before being eliminated by Roman Reigns. Hogan with a big right hand again. Ooh, rocks Flair there. And you can see the Hulkster there, enjoying his dominance here over the Nature Boy. Another big right hand. And another. Hogan with the brawling style of his. And Flair not will. Oh, slaps the Hulkster across the face. The Nature Boy. And Nature Boy. Oh, Hogan fighting back again now. And these two going at each other like a couple of bulls. Hogan going for the clothesline, misses his man. And Flair now, going after the leg, and Hogan's got to be wary of that. Once Ric Flair starts working on their legs, anything is possible. And Flair once again, takes it to the leg of the Hulkster. And now going for a submission maneuver early here against Hollywood Hulk Hogan. Hogan, such a huge, powerful individual. Gets Flair up onto his shoulders, but Flair fights out of it once again. And Hogan wisely gets out of the ring here as Nature Boy enjoys his dominance here. And he goes right after the Hulkster. Don't know how wise that is. And Hogan sends Flair up against the barricade there. Oh, now unloading. And Flair fighting back. Hogan going for the big clothesline, and Flair nails the Hulkster once again. Taking it to Hogan now, and Flair slams Hogan against the ring post. And repeats. Hogan taking some punishment now. The World Heavyweight Champion sends Flair into the ring now.
Say there's almost no coming back from it. You're right, Michael. It seems like that
and Flair now trying to slow things down. The Hulkster working on the arm, but Flair fighting back once again. And Flair going for the figure 4 here. He's going for the figure 4 against Hulk Hogan. And Hogan now, gets a hand under the rope there. Wisely, Hulk Hogan there realizes that Flair was going after the legs, and Flair still working on the legs of the Hulkster. Hogan reverses now. Hogan, Irish whip against Ric Flair. No go. And Flair drops the Hulkster again, and you can see Flair is spent here. Hogan trying to get some distance between himself and the Nature Boy, and Flair is starting to feel it here. Strikes. Drops Hogan, and look at Ric Flair strutting, styling and profiling against the World Heavyweight Champion. And this was the dream match people have always wanted to see. Hollywood Hulk Hogan against the Nature Boy Ric Flair. And Flair once again going after the legs of the Hulkster. He knows what works. What brought him to the big dance is that figure 4. And a knee lift there from Ric Flair now, taking it to Hollywood Hulk Hogan. And Hogan reverses. And Hogan here, he's going for that pile driver. He's nailed Flair there. Out of nowhere, Hulk Hogan nails the pile driver.
Let's look at this again.
Goes for the cover.
He goes for the cover. 1, 2.
No! Ric Flair gets a shoulder up. And the Hulkster there, a little bit surprised. And Flair fighting back once again now against Hogan. Big elbow there to the face. And Hogan again now. Look at the strength here of the Hulkster. Slams Flair down. And Hogan again, exuding that power advantage that he has over Ric Flair. And Flair fighting back now. And brings Hogan in the hard way over the top. And Flair lining Hogan up now for the figure 4. And Flair is going for it again. Woo! Ric Flair. He's got the figure 4 locked in here, and Hogan once again gets to the ropes. The Hulkster. And Flair going back to the legs of Hogan. What a battle this has been. Flair going for the cover now. And Hogan gets the shoulder up. Ric Flair. He's lining Hogan up once again now, this time more in the center of the ring. And Hogan fights back. Nails Flair there. Hollywood Hulk Hogan. Waiting for the big leg drop. He's nailed it. Is that enough to put Ric Flair away? He's got him. World Heavyweight Champion Hulk Hogan defeats Ric Flair. And my word, it was a close run thing. Close enough to the ropes on 2 occasions to deny Flair the figure 4 leg lock. But in the end, Hogan, who nailed his big pile driver, wasn't enough to put Flair away. But in the end, the big leg drop does the business once again. And Hollywood Hulk Hogan defeats Ric Flair and goes into and continues the road to WrestleMania.
Here is your winner, Hollywood.
On a winning streak. It's John Cena! Ladies and gentlemen, John Cena, the former leader of the NWO, has made an appearance here. Is he the third man, perhaps? John Cena, out of nowhere. We haven't seen him since Hell in a Cell way long ago, when he was injured defending the title against Stone Cold Steve Austin. And John Cena now not wearing NWO garb, back to the original John Cena. And it looks like he's going to be the third man at WrestleMania. F5 coming up, and he's nailed the champion. John Cena returns to the fantasy universe. And I think we know now who the third man in the main event is going to be. What a way to end Monday Night Raw, guys. Thanks for watching. SmackDown up next. Cheers.